First, I use separate windows for the login, registration, and dashboard. This keeps everything organized, making it easy to update or debug specific parts. I also added custom background images for a polished look because I wanted to enhance the user experience by making it visually appealing. So in this system, you need to register your account before you can log in. So I also use light background image here so the fields are very visible to the eye. In the dashboard, users can see their personalized information easily and the logout button for security. I connected the system to a database to validate logins and store registrations.